Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create channel in WhatsApp account in desktop. So let's start it. At first, open your desktop. Now you can see now open the WhatsApp. Now you can see open WhatsApp. Now create channel. Now going to the communities option. Now click from channels option. Now click and click from create channel and click from plus icon of create channel. Now click. I can see now click from agree and continue. Now choose from name channel name and choose from add channel icon. Now click from upload photo. Now select from logo. Now click from open option. Now click tick mark, that is. Now create this channel. Then loading, that it's. Now you can see now open the create the channel in WhatsApp in desktop is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.